Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this question, which is on finding the equation of a tangent to a curve. So obviously this is another classic question for differentiation, which is basically finding the tangent to a curve. So in questions like this, you need to differentiate the function as the first step. So the function is e to the 1/3 of x over x, so we need to find the derivative of that as a first step. And since we have a fraction, it's a quotient rule. So as usual, we square the denominator function, then we start by writing the denominator function times the derivative of the numerator function. And the derivative of the numerator function, because it's exponential, we just differentiate the power, and then that comes down as a coefficient of the function. So 1/3 x just differentiates to 1/3. So 1/3 is then going to be the coefficient of the function itself. So this is the first part, and the second part is when we write down the numerator function times the derivative of the denominator function. So the denominator function is x, and that differentiates to 1. Right, so for the next step, we can simplify this slightly, because there is not much we can do. We can take a factor of e to the third x, for example. Then we are going to have 1/3 x, 1/3 x minus 1. Okay, now we have the equation of the dy dx, and we want to find a tangent, the equation of the tangent at the point 3, 1/3 e. So simply, when we want to find the equation of a line, we need to have a point and a gradient. So we are given the point, we just need to find the gradient at that basically point. So we just need to substitute 3 into the equation here that we have. So when x is 3, we basically substitute that to find dy dx. So it's going to be dy dx is e to the third times 3, 1/3 times 3 minus 1 divided by 3 squared. Yeah, and what happens is that inside the bracket we have a third times 3, which is 1, and then 1 minus 1 is just 0, and 0 times basically e to the third times 3 is going to be 0. So the entire thing is 0 basically. 0 is the gradient in this question. And for the final step, we need to find the equation of the tangent, because now we have the gradient and we know that the point is given to us. It's 3 1/3 e, just to double check. So this is the point, the gradient is 0. So we just use the equation of finding the straight line, which is y minus y0 m times x minus x0. But x0 and y0 are just the coordinates of the point, and m is the gradient. So we only need to substitute the given information, and then we are done basically. So yeah, the interesting thing that happens here is that the right hand side is just going to be 0, because that's 0 times a bracket. So after final rearranging, this is the equation of the tangent to the curve. So this is the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point 3, 1/3 e. Okay, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.